Among friends or young people, especially in southern Nigeria, the handshake often includes a snap. The two people shake hands normally, then they each slide their hands apart slightly and snap their middle fingers each other's in unison. It's a sign of camaraderie and informality, and this mostly is done in three steps, like three parts.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, start. Yeah. Yeah. One more time. Okay. The sound should come, huh? One more time. Two, three. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Eyes gone. Okay, one more time.
Start again.
1, 2, 3. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3. The sound, the sound should come.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's go. You can start a new video.